Learning English can be fun. Today, we're going to use pictures and stories to make learning English a breeze. Follow Sarah as she explores new places and meets interesting people. By combining listening and watching, you'll improve your English skills in no time. Let's get started. Sarah is a cheerful 16-year-old girl living in a small, picturesque town surrounded by lush green hills and blooming flowers. Every morning, she wakes up to the sound of her alarm clock ringing cheerfully at 7 a.m. The sun peeks through her window, casting a warm glow in her cozy room filled with posters of her favorite bands and books. With a big smile on her face, she jumps out of bed, ready to embrace the day ahead. Sarah comes from a loving family. Her father, Mr. Johnson, is a dedicated teacher who inspires his students with his passion for history. Her mother, Dr. Emily, is a caring physician who always puts her patients first. They both support Sarah in everything she does, encouraging her to follow her dreams and reminding her that love and kindness are the most important things in life. Every morning, Sarah enjoys a delicious breakfast prepared by her mother. Today, her mother surprises her with fluffy pancakes topped with fresh strawberries and a drizzle of maple syrup. The aroma fills the kitchen, making Sarah's mouth water. As they sit together at the breakfast table, they share stories and laughter, creating a warm and loving atmosphere that sets the tone for the day. After breakfast, Sarah grabs her backpack and heads out the door, meeting her best friends, Mary and Alice, at the corner of their street. They walk to school together, chatting and laughing about their favorite TV shows and the latest trends. The excitement of a new day at school fills the air as they discuss their plans for the upcoming weekend. At school, Sarah attends various classes, but her favorites are literature and art. In literature class, they are currently reading a captivating novel about friendship and adventure. Sarah loves to lose herself in the stories, imagining herself as the brave heroine. Her art teacher, Ms. Thompson, recognizes Sarah's talent and encourages her to express herself through painting. One day, she even suggests that Sarah enter an art competition, which fills Sarah with both excitement and nervousness. During gym class, Sarah plays on the school's basketball team. She practices hard with her teammates, and they often have friendly competitions to see who can make the most baskets. The thrill of the game and the camaraderie with her friends make every practice session enjoyable. One day, they have a big match against a rival school, and the energy in the gym is electric. Sarah feels a rush of adrenaline as she dribbles the ball down the court, determined to help her team win. After school, Sarah and her friends often head to the nearby park. The park is a vibrant place filled with laughter and joy, where children play and families enjoy picnics,